Good morning, everybody. This is Deanna from So Much Joy Gardens, and I'm going to show y'all firsthand what it looks like when life be lifing and things get away from you in the garden. Well, you all have seen a little bit of my backyard garden, but you haven't seen my side yard garden or my front yard garden. And y'all, my front yard garden been getting the worst of it. I have not been taking care of my front yard babies like I should. So I'm gonna show you what it looked like. Don't judge me. Just I'm doing this as a public service announcement to be aware and to be mindful of how things can get in the way. Come on, let's go look at my shortcomings in my front yard. Look at him. Look at him. It was beautiful. It was gorgeous, y'all. It was gorgeous. Look at that. My tomatoes, my sage, all of that. Wow. And look, don't judge me, y'all. Don't judge me. Only thing that's looking good over here is them onions right there. Everything else, oh, my Dusty Miller, it's looking good, but I think it's drought tolerant anyway. It's looking good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna see if I can give this some mineral water or something and bring it back. But I don't know. I'm gonna water it a little bit. It's supposed to rain again, and that's what threw me off too. Was the rain. Um, well, life happens, and I just have to regroup. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Look at this. This lettuce done bolted and trying to die. Yeah, it's doing good. Yeah, onions are doing good. Look here, weed done even took up residence in my green stalks. Let's see what's happening over here on the other side. Well, this was my flower ones. They don't look too bad. They don't look too bad, but I think they're drought tolerant anyway. But we're gonna see if they come back around. All right, well, you see my shortcomings in my front yard garden because my backyard has gotten all the attention that I could muster. And I'm going to see if I can get out here and do something to kind of shock it back into life. And that's all I can do. And that's all we can do. Things happen. And all we can do is just assess and regroup. So I'll keep y'all posted on what happens with these towers out here. All right. Y'all keep it light.